Why is composition important in art? 1. Composition is the backbone of your artwork. Without a strong composition, even the most detailed painting can fall flat. Composition gives structure, flow, and clarity to your visual story. 2. It guides the viewer's eye. A good composition tells the viewer where to look first and where to go next. It creates a visual journey from the focal point through the lines, shapes, and colors, leading them across the canvas with intention. 3. It creates focus and emphasis. Composition helps you highlight the most important part of your artwork, the focal point. Whether it's a face, a flower, or a beam of light, composition ensures it stands out. 4. It brings balance and harmony. Good composition balances visual weight, so your painting doesn't feel too heavy on one side or chaotic. It brings a sense of harmony, whether you choose a symmetrical or asymmetrical layout. 5. It adds emotion and mood. The way elements are placed, close together or far apart, centered or off balance, creates feelings. A tight, centralized composition can feel intense. A wide, open layout might feel calm or lonely. 6. It controls movement and energy. Composition affects the rhythm of your piece. Diagonal lines can create tension and movement. Curves feel soft and graceful. Strategic placement builds energy or stillness, depending on your intent. 7. It helps avoid clutter and confusion. A thoughtful composition simplifies your message. It prevents your artwork from becoming too crowded or chaotic. Every element has a purpose. Nothing is random. 8. It makes your work memorable. Art with strong composition sticks in the viewer's mind. The flow, the balance, the story. It leaves an impression long after they've seen it. 9. It elevates simple subjects. Even the most ordinary subject, like a cup, a tree, or a window, can become powerful and poetic with great composition. It's not always about what you paint, but how you arrange it.